Okay guys, it's Russian River honey in Northern California, Sebastopol. We're in that location today. Now take a look here. I couldn't do that much with the bees today because, you know, I didn't have my camera set up properly, and there's stuff going on here. But we got some empty pockets here, empty frames, but they're coming in and out, and it's a new location for me, so I'm pretty much learning the area. But they are running around, flying around, and getting things done. You can see here they're growing. They're growing today, and they're growing every day. And I got these hives growing too. And I just added a medium to them, and I had to put some frames in there. But here we are, and I got a lively one right here coming with pollen and kind of goodies coming in here. And these hives are thriving. There's a lot of bees in here, and I just stacked some more mediums. The bottoms are not full. I got some old frames because I have old equipment, and I'm just trying to get funded. So to get funded, I have to do things. So here I am working what I have, and here goes a smaller nook right here. And this one here was a swarm. Somehow they got in here. I sprayed some swarm trap spray here, and here they are. They're in here. They're bringing pollen in. Look at that. So they're working on a queen in here, which is really fantastic. And these are all new queens. And I got one right here. I don't want these bees to sting me. They're running around like crazy. And here we are again. I got more bees coming in and out on both of them. So they're growing. They're bringing pollen in also. And then I got another one right there. You see that one right there? Oh, that one's growing too. I'm not feeding them anymore because they're bringing enough food in. That's what that looks like. And that's what I'm doing out here. So I got my other camera. I got a GoPro right now. Probably can see me. You know, so it's been an interesting day here at the farm, working with the bees. And I got to come back next week because it's a little different here. We have some dead spots here also, but they're flowing, and they got to find the flower. And sometimes other hives will find them better than the other hives will. So they compete for food. And just want to let you know that. So that's what's going on today. And that's what I did today. I didn't open a hive today. Didn't have any time because I had to go ahead and visit these hives. I did open them up. I even opened this one. I had a tape on the open that one. Look at that. These guys are coming in and out of here. And these are Russian bees in here, and Italian bees in this one. I got a mix. Some are just Italian bees. But I got some stuff going on here. As you see here, they're real busy. I'll let you look at them. Watch that. That's a busy hive, ain't it? A lot of bees coming out of that hive. Look at those bees. They're looking at that camera now. I think my voice is long enough to go loud enough so you can see those bees going in and out. Isn't that wonderful? But they're real busy right now because they're getting food. This morning they wasn't that busy, but they're getting busy right now, as you see. And that's what's going on. These are mixed bees here. Let's look. We got Italians. I think they're mostly Italians. I think mixed here too. Well, that's what's going on here. See, these are my bees. Lively, huh? We're here in April. Oh, April 2nd. And we have. Oh, we got bees finding that apple blossom. I'm hoping that they can hold it. I hope I can get it. Because right now, I have old frames on the bottom. These are old hives, old frames. And as I told you, I'm still working on a grant. So to get more hives, hopefully, right? So when that happens, we'll have lots of bees. I mean, lots of bees. Tons of bees. I can't even grab that thing. I got to try to grab it. They're right on that. They're on the camera now. It's theirs. That's what they do. They'll take over the camera. I got another one here. They're already on the. They're already looking at this thing. You see how they're going all over it? They want to sting it. I put my hand there. They'll sting me. I guarantee you that. Oh, I got it out of there. Look at that. Here's another one driving here. Look at this one. There's another one there. This one here, I added another medium to it. I had to. I added another medium here, and then there got a little hole here. They'll take care of those gaps in those spaces and open. They'll guard them, as you notice. I just added that, and those frames already have cone on them. So you can get to look at them right here. Look at that. There goes a drone right there. Drone right there. Look at that drone right there. Look at the drones coming out. There's a lot of them. Look how big they are. It's a lot of drones. Look at them coming out. They're mating somewhere. They're gonna go to a mating place, all these drones. When they drone, they want to swarm, you know. So I looked at the hives. They didn't look at this one. You know, it could be clogged. I don't think so. There's some space up there because they came right up to the top. So I gave them room. They won't swarm. If they do, what can you do? You can't control your bees on them. So that's what's going on there. So they're busy, busy, busy here. And this one here, I had to feed it because it's not that busy. It's a little light on food. I had to feed it. It's, you know, it's dealing. It's got drones in there too, so they're growing. I'm just keeping them from swarming. And then I got a hole over here, see? I opened that up so they can come in here, if they do. I got some old hives and so on. I got to stack this one later. This one's stacked here also. This one, I'm not even feeding. This one here has a lot of bees. They're coming in out here. There's a lot of bees in here too. They're in that hole right there. See, ooh, they come right out, see? So that's what we got going on today. So that is it from Russian River Bees and Honey. See you guys next time here at the farm in Sonoma County. Thanks for watching. See you guys in May, maybe April, if I have time. But I have bees to take care of, as you know, and I got some other things to do. Take care, guys, and thank you for watching. You make it a great day, and thanks for coming up to my pop-up and buying honey. I really thank you guys, and that is it. Take care, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.